Hi guys, so I haven't uploaded in a couple months. October was the last time I uploaded. It is now April. So as you can see, my hair is black now. It's on the lighter side of black. My hair is usually darker, but it's been a while since I've dyed it, like re-dyed it, because I am blonde. I have to like get my roots done and like dye it all, do all that stuff. But yeah, I really like it. I really enjoy the black hair. And if you guys follow me on social media, you will know that I dyed my hair and that I made that change. But yeah, so I haven't uploaded since October, and basically this video is I'm gonna tell you guys why, what I've been doing, what happened, my mindset now, what I see in the future for this channel, and yeah, it's basically just an update. So basically the truth is like I haven't uploaded because I've been really busy with school. I am in grade 11, I'm 16 years old, and I have a lot of hard courses this year, only because I am graduating early. So to graduate early, I needed to take all my courses that I needed, no electives, just all like hard courses, biology, chemistry, physics, pre-calculus, like all that stuff this year, so that I'd be able to graduate a semester early in my grade 12 year. And because of that, I got really stressed out around October, November. That's when stuff started getting hard. So I really did not have time to film, and that is the truth. I didn't have time to film. I needed to focus on school. I needed to focus on myself and make sure that what I wanted to do after high school was going to happen. So because YouTube isn't a number one priority for me right now. I'm only 16. So I have a lot of time now. We're all in quarantine, so I have that time. I'm going to start getting into the routine of filming again. I'm going to upload once a week. I'm going to try to upload on Mondays because I love to do makeup. I love to film. I love to show you guys my life. I love to just be in front of a camera and have fun, basically, and it's one of my hobbies. It really is, and like I want to start doing it again, and I have time now because we're all in quarantine. And honestly, like I'm doing school online, which is super easy. I get to do it from home, so I can then film after or before, whatever, right? And once summer hits, I'm gonna have even more time to film and upload for you guys, maybe even twice a week, who knows. And then when I go back to school in September, it will be kind of hard for me to film regularly. I don't know yet. I'm just assuming based on like the courses I have to take to graduate early. It will be like a really hard semester for me, but I should be able to do it. I plan on doing summer school to get ahead and do that. But yeah, like that's basically what I've been doing. Like I've just been focusing on school, really, like that's it. It's not like I had any like breaks from social media because I was posting Instagram, Snapchat. I have TikTok now, so it's not like I needed a break from social media or anything like that. I just needed to give my time to school because that is more important to me at the moment, because education right now is more important than filming a YouTube video. YouTube is a hobby for me. It's not yet a job. Education can get me a job, but if I get a job out of YouTube, that'd be amazing. Like that's my dream job, to like be a beauty vlogger, I don't know, and or do fitness or like just lifestyle in general, and like be able to make a living out of that. That would be my dream job. But yeah, after high school, I plan to go into a psychiatric nursing program because that's what I'm into. But yeah, that's basically a life update from me to you guys. My like what, 45 subscribers. So yeah, I'm gonna start uploading again. Once this video goes up, just know that I will start to upload again. If you guys have any ideas or anything you guys want me to post, upload, just send me a message, leave a comment, I don't know. But yeah, I can show you guys how I do my nails because I do my own nails now. I can show you guys my daily routine. I could show you guys pretty much anything. I do a lot of things. Okay guys, so yeah, that was an update on where I'm at, and I wanted to let you guys know. I didn't want to just jump into a makeup tutorial right away. But yeah, I have black hair now. I do my own nails. I still do my own makeup. Still do my own hair. Yes, I dyed this myself. And I'm gonna now share with you guys. Okay, so yeah, that was my update. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. Yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.